How to fix iMessage activation unsuccessful. Let's jump right into the steps. First, what you need to do is you need to make sure that your internet connection is strong. You should turn off your internet connection and use your mobile data. Other thing you can do is you want to go to the settings of your phone and then scroll down a little bit and then tap on General. After that, you need to scroll down a little bit again and then you want to tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset and then now tap on Reset Network Settings. Put your password and then tap on Reset, and that way all the connection will be reset. Now next what you can do is you need to go ahead and make sure that you have the latest version of iPhone. Next what we can do is you want to scroll down and tap on Message or Phone. Then you can manage the following settings for it. Or next what you can do is you can turn off your phone for some time and reopen it, and that may help you solve the problem. And that is how you can fix iMessage activation unsuccessful. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.